What skills do you have? Is there anything you wish you could do? Listen to this story and learn how to express wishes with could. I really wish I could sing. Then I could record my own songs. And I wish I could be part of a band. Then I would sing in concerts. We use the word wish to talk about things that we want to be true. When we're expressing a wish to have an ability, we can use could plus the base form of a verb. I wish we could go on vacation next week. I wish I could dance well. What do you wish you could do? Tell us in the comments. This is American English. Thank you for watching.